You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 6,344, or 79.649. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals -31 and y1 equals 66. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals 39 and y2 equals 28. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals -31. x2 equals 39. y1 equals 66. y2 equals 28. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 6,344, or 79.649.